two metrics explain most of your maintenance performance: MTBF and MTTR. Here is the simplest way to understand them and why they matter for availability. MTBF measures the average operating time between failures. MTTR measures the average time required to repair a failure. The formulas are simple. MTBF is total operating time divided by the number of failures. MTTR is total repair time divided by the number of failures. If a machine runs 100 hours and fails 4 times, MTBF is 25 hours. And if repairs took 8 hours in total, MTTR is 2 hours. A high MTBF means reliability. A low MTBF means frequent failures. A low MTTR means fast and efficient repairs. A high MTTR suggests problems with diagnosis, spare parts, or skills. MTBF helps plan preventive maintenance. MTTR measures maintenance efficiency. And together, they directly impact availability, and therefore OEE or TRS. A common mistake is focusing only on MTTR, repairing faster, while ignoring MTBF, which prevents failures. True performance comes from increasing MTBF and reducing MTTR. MTBF is machine reliability. MTTR is maintenance reactivity. Together, they determine availability, and maximizing availability improves overall performance.